At full attention.
Again.
Salute, man. What go on? He's at full attention.
Again.
You really?
But yes, the man you do. Delivery. The first.
What's that thing?
It's sunny nice guy, don't worry yourself.
No, sir.
It's sunny nice guy, don't worry yourself. Yes,
I want to bring you up here. And a lovely lady bring you up here, sir. Okay?
yeah, this lovely lady. Look, you like the camera lady. What they make a show on the camera lady? You like her?
Send them out.
Alright,
All of the lovely videos.
Yeah. Should look for that out. So what about Andy? You good?
Of course.
You must good, cause you get your kingdom come deliver to your office, so
Right at the door.
right at the door.
Hardware and lumber, Rocky True Valley.
Yeah. So
My goodness. So we're there. This lovely lady bring you.
yes.
Pay them for all of the lovely videos.
All of
okay?
the lovely videos.
My goodness.
And we have to leave our contact with you.
Of course.
Where's the camera lady? Give her a yes. Move the camera and say yes.
Anyway.
You love it, right?
Yeah.
Tell the people that man, you recommend that them sign up with us
All the time.
all the time.
Right
Long time
there
you
you
use
go,
it. Yes.
At your foot.
At your foot. And your
Aye.
foot, but you're blessed yourself.
Big up yourself.
Man,
Camera lady.
Alright. Camera lady get salute. Why may I tell you? Guys, you hear him say? At your foot. You see that a while ago? I want you to at your foot. I want you to click on the link. I want you to join us today. We're in Constant Spring, guys. We're on the delivery trail. Kingston. Big up on yourself. We're in Kingston. We are delivered today. All our customers there. We are come to you now. We love you. If you're not a customer, you need to join the family. Click on the link. Join us today. If you're a guy looking a nice camera lady, you need to click on the link. Join us today. Ship your package. Tell us say you want to do a video. We come do a video with us. So you can meet the camera lady. Alright? Catch you guys later. Bye. Camera lady done with me today. Bye.